In question number 8, it's backwards of question number 7. Notice we're told F inverse of 15. F inverse means X is 15. So I'm going to go F of X equals 2/3 times 15 minus 3. Well, notice 3 goes into 15 5 times. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. So F of X would equal 7 on this problem. On number 9, we're told I want to find F of negative 2x plus 5. So in other words, this is kind of confusing, but instead of writing x, I'm going to write negative 2x plus 5. So I'm going to go F of x, or actually I should say F of negative 2x plus 5 equals 2 times negative 2x plus 5 plus 8. Well, we can distribute that 2. Don't know why it's bouncing like that. There we go. So you get negative 4x plus 10 plus 8. So negative 4x plus 18 is F of negative 2x plus 5. Now, on number 10, we've got this graph, and we're told their adjusted price is Y. Let's write that in here. And when the original price was X. Now what happens, I want to know the slope of the line that's going to take the increased price of with an input of X and returns the original price of Y. In other words, I'm going to find the inverse of my line. Well, if I take a look here, let's see if we can find. Here I see a lattice point at 4 and 5. Once again, I had the wrong tool, so 4 and 5. And then, let me see here. It's kind of hard to see there. Maybe 7. How about not 8? It's really kind of, can't really do what I was planning. So I'm going to try this a different way. So in other words, my slope of my new line is going to be the change in X over my change in Y. And since it's multiple choice, when I go over 1, do I go up 5? No, looks like I go up a little bit over 1. How about when I go over 5, do I go up 6? If I go over 5 and oh, there we go. So the correct answer is L. My highlighter must have jumped on me when I saved this. That's all you had to do. So it's not M, it's L. On question 11, which functions are inverses? Well, remember the simplest way to write the inverse is going to say, I'm going to flip my x's and y's around. So I'm going to say 3x plus 2y equals 9. And notice that's t. We can definitely see it's t. Now let's write this in slope-intercept form also. So I'm going to minus 3x from both sides. And I can't combine my negative 3x with 9. So I'm going to say 2y equals negative 3x plus 9. Got ahead of myself there because I'm going to divide by 2 now. So I'm going to say y equals negative 3 halves x plus 9 halves. Or F inverse of x equals negative 3 halves x plus 9/2. Notice my multiple choice, 4.5 is 9/2. So I like to leave it as a fraction. So your correct answers are P and T for this question.